willkommen zu unserem heutigen Theaterstück. Wir hoffen, Ihnen mit unserer Show einen amüsanten Abend bereiten zu können. Wenn Sie nun denken, dass Sie sich hier in der Erich-Kästner-Halle befinden, ist das nur eine Illusion. Tatsächlich befinden Sie sich hier im Auditorium des Kingfisher Psychiatric Hospitals. Herzlich willkommen zu unserem Tag der offenen Türen. Seien Sie unbesorgt. Alle unsere Insassen sind in der Regel äußerst friedliebende Menschen. Sie sind so eingestellt, dass sie bei donnerndem Applaus automatisch ruhiger werden und dann jegliche Nervosität verlieren. Ich denke, wir sollten zu ihrer eigenen Sicherheit das mit dem donnernden Applaus einmal gemeinsam üben. Ganz hervorragend. Wenn Sie diese Übung nun alle 30 bis 40 Sekunden wiederholen, wird Ihnen bis 40. Dann wird Ihnen garantiert heute Abend nichts passieren. Bei geröteten Handinnenflächen helfen unsere gekühlten Getränke in der Pause. Wenden Sie sich dafür bitte an unser freundliches Personal. Es ist ebenfalls nur eine Illusion, wenn Sie jetzt 4 junge Damen neben mir zählen. Tatsächlich teilen sich immer 2 von ihnen eine Rolle. Da unser Regisseur es nicht übers Herz gebracht hat, jeweils einer der beiden 2 Auftritte und der anderen nur einen Auftritt zu gewähren. Wir denken, dass leichte Unterschiede in Größe, Kostümierung und Stimmlage Sie nicht zu sehr verwirren werden. Dankeschön, meine Damen. Es ist ebenfalls eine Illusion, wenn Sie denken, wir hätten keinen funktionierenden Vorhang. Aber natürlich haben wir einen funktionierenden Vorhang. Das Gute an diesem Modell ist, dass am Ende dieses Wochenendes jeder in der Neueschingen wissen wird, was Vorhang auf Englisch heißt. Joey, das ist ein Applaus. Die Inbetriebnahme einer solchen Einrichtung ließe sich ohne Sponsoren nicht bewerkstelligen. Deshalb bedanken wir uns ganz herzlich bei all unseren Freunden und Sponsoren, ohne die diese Aufführung so nicht möglich gewesen wäre. Gleichfalls bedanken wollen wir uns bei den Schulleitungen der Erich-Kästner-Schule, des Fürstenberg-Gymnasiums und der Realschule, bei Frau von Witzleben, Herrn Böhm und Herrn Laufer, die uns nach besten Kräften unterstützt haben. Auch bei der Stadtverwaltung wollen wir uns ganz herzlich bedanken und hier insbesondere bei Herrn Trappe, der uns ebenfalls hervorragend unterstützt hat. Wir freuen uns, heute Abend den Bürgermeister Kaiser begrüßen zu dürfen. Lieber Herr Bürgermeister, seien Sie und Ihre Gattin ganz herzlich willkommen. Ich denke, wir haben genügend gekühlte Getränke da draußen. Sehr verehrte Damen und Herren, es ist mir ein besonderes Vergnügen, Ihnen jetzt schon mitteilen zu können, dass es uns gelungen ist, am Ende dieses Abends alle Insassen des Hospitals als geheilt entlassen zu können. Als Oberarzt kann ich allen nur stark verbesserte Werte bei Teamfähigkeit und Selbstvertrauen attestieren. Aber auch Konzentrationsvermögen, Fremdsprachenkenntnisse Durchhaltevermögen, um nur einiges aufzuzählen, haben sich signifikant verbessert, sodass alle Eltern hier im Publikum zu Recht stolz auf ihre Kinder sein können. I can see that. What's that?
It's not a secret weapon from the FBI.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Not a secret weapon? From the FBI? And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's communicate in English. We wish you an entertaining evening and ask you to give your special attention to our singing beauties. Our golden voices who will present to you the national anthem of the United States of America. You may remain seated.
Yes, that's correct.
Can you is not all that is off with him.
Don't be nervous. Just tell me what you want to tell me. Okay.
Okay.
First, I noticed that you are not dressed as colorfully as the others.
No, I like to wear my underwear on the inside.
Oh, you are just jealous because we make this look good.
That looks good. Oh, come on, man. You look like freshly washed idiots coming out of a washing machine.
And what's your... The elephants wear pink underwear.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a side effect of mind reading. Funny things come to my brain so fast that I say them out loud before I'm really even aware of them. Sorry. Go on, Anne. Great.
It's kind of like she has a tick.
Oh, look at him, making fun of me, but walking around like an idiot. Can we get back to the interview, please?
Oh, do you want to hear our true stories? We can start with...
There are 20 elephants in the apple tree. Apple tree? Oh, I did it again. Oh, I really cannot control it. I'm sorry. Go on, Anne. Let's start with you, Char. Speedy.
I was kidnapped by alien beavers.
Alien beavers?
Yes, they took me to their home planet and ran tests on me. Ugh. Then they put some microchip in my feet which gave me my speed. Too bad that I sometimes even feel and behave like a beaver and chew on wood. I can't control that either.
You know, I've always wondered. What was the name of the planet?
What?
What do these alien beavers call their home planet?
Oh! Alien Beaver City World. No.
Alien beaver? What?
Yes! Alien Beaver World. I'm going with that. Luckily, I could escape. I stole one of the space shuttles and flew it back.
Stealing is wrong.
What about you, Lightbulb? How did you get your power?
I stuck my fingers into a light socket.
Do you have any idea why sticking your finger in an outlet gave you superpowers instead of, say, killing you?
11.
What?
11. It happened at 11 past 11 and 11 seconds on the 11th of November, which is the 11th month, and I was 11 years old. Was your address 11th Avenue number 11? No, 428 Washington Avenue. Why? No reason.
Then 11 is your magic number, isn't it?
And it's also the cute.
Yes, it's also my shoe size and my I love you.
You got it.
Alright, this place is great, but I hate this room.
Why this room?
Because of them!
Them? Them who?
Them, the watchers! Don't you see them? There are like 200 people watching us right now. It happens every time I come in here.
There's nobody there. It's just a wall.
Great. You can't see them either. I guess I'm still the only one. I see them too. Hello. They are behind you. Oh, you don't really see them, do you? No. Well, I do, and I think you are all sick. What if I put up a chair in your house and watch your every move? How would you like it if Big Brother was watching you?
And we have been talking since last week, and yeah, Kevin feels so bad that he was so shy with you. And now he's ready to tell you everything. Aren't you, Kevin?
Yes, I am.
So, first of all, what is your special power?
I control the weather. Rain, snow, sunshine. You name it, I can make it happen.
Isn't that cool?
Very. Do you have a superhero name yet?
Weatherman.
No. Captain Climate? No. Dr. Kachelmann!
I like brainstorm.
Brainstorm. I like it. But the best part is that he controls the weather by dancing.
Dancing? Is that right?
Yes, it is.
He has a different dance for every different type of weather. Go ahead, Kevin. Give her a demonstration.
It's mad cold. Early in the morning, I hit a shower running. I almost can't remember who this girl might be. When she came back, I couldn't believe my eyes. This pretty young man with her eyes on me. I really like it when I put my hands like that. Whisper in your ear, tell me how you like that. Getting freaky, that's what I do best. So come a little closer, come a little closer. No one's gonna do you freaky like me, 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 no one's gonna do you freaky like me, 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 no one, no one. I'm filling up her thighs as I'm running down her curves. I hear my kitty purr as she laid on me. We whining and grinding, upon me is rising. Baby like a fire burning all around me. I really like it when I put my hands like that. Whisper in your ear, tell me how you like that. Getting freaky, that's what I do best. So come a little closer, come a little closer. No one's gonna do you freaky like me, 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 no one. No one's gonna do you freaky like me, freaky
think your real superpower is the gift of dancing.
Thanks. Not again! Charlie, I'm begging you, please stop building dams in the shower. The water makes a big flood, and I have to clean up after you.
Sorry, you know me. I was an alien beaver bird. Have you looked in the kitchen sink yet?
That's it. I am going to start electric shock therapy on you.
Why do you do that all the time?
Hey, I need wood for my teeth. No beaver can live without wood.
I control the weather by dancing. Man, I could even be like Elvis Presley. I think my real superpower is the gift of dancing!
Hey, that is a cool dance, and we've got the right music for that.
7. Just remember your relaxation exercises. Deep breath, deep breath. Green running meadows. Calm blue sky. Happy place. I'm in my happy place.
real pineapple, fresh from the North Shore of Oahu, only for you.
Why, thank you, Charlie. That's sweet.
La-di-da! Why don't you marry him?
We don't need privacy. Let's have a party.
Good idea. Well, let's tidy up.
Why so serious?
Don't raise your glass if you are wrong. In all the right ways, all my heart's a toss. We will never be anything but love. And greedy, crazy, super freaks. Won't you come and raise your glass? Just come and raise your glass. Step, oh hot damn, what put a fuck did you understand? Wish you just keep out, quit already. Can't stop coming in hot. I should be like I'm running, it's gonna get so on right now, so on right now. Party crasher, penny snatcher. Call me up if you want gangster. Don't be fancy, just get dancing.
Why so serious?
My glass is empty, that sucks. So if you do scoop cool and you treat me like a fool, you can choose to let it go. We can always party on our own. So raise your glass if you are wrong. In all the right ways, all my heart's a dog. We will never be anything but love. And greedy, crazy, super freaks. Won't you come and raise your glass? Just come and raise your glass. Just raise your glass if you are wrong. In all the right ways, all my heart's a dog. We will never be anything but love. And greedy, crazy, super freaks. Won't you come and raise your glass? Just come and raise your glass.
For
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. New York. The fire department reported a great fire in downtown Manhattan. After a little explosion, a 5-story building caught fire and started to burn immediately. At least 12 people, an English teacher, 2 dogs, and a cat were inside the building. Because of heavy traffic during rush hour, the firefighters arrived late at the burning house. They were very surprised to see that only 3 people had rescued the 12 people, the English teacher, the dogs, and the cat. They rescued an English teacher? Why did they do that? Excuse me, please. The 3 rescuers are true superheroes. One of the 3 superheroes was described as moving with unbelievable speed. It looked as if he could circle the globe in something like 23 seconds, an eyewitness said. He also tried to kick up strong winds to blow out the flames, but sadly, that did not work. Without these 3 superheroes, everyone in the burning house would be dead. Unfortunately, nobody has seen them since, and nobody knows their names. The Chief of Police, James Callahan, and even President Obama would like to thank the 3 superheroes and ask them to come forward to receive the National American Medal of Honor. More about this unbelievable story in our regular news report at 10. And now, back to our theater play, Superfreaks. Enjoy the second part of the show.